Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors. Now inside the car there's half leather interior. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done 10,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.